and beautiful environment. It is a high-tech enterprise that brings together mechanical R&D, manufacturing, sales and service, and boasts a professional design team that provides a complete intelligent automation solution for customers. Since its establishment, the company has been dedicated to the study and improvement of the traditional labor-intensive processing methods, including drilling, tapping, and milling, and has accumulated value experience in drilling, tapping, and hot melting techniques. With superior product quality, solid technical strength, and thoughtful after-sales service, it has become a green sheet in the sourcing industry jungle. At present, the company boasts a number of invention and utility model patents, and won the honorary award Guangdong High-Tech Enterprise in 2018. DUOMI Machinery is keeping pace with the times. Through continuous independent innovation, it creates its own original brands. Currently, the company owns independent original brands such as DUOMI and Jawa Topo, specializing in the production of various standard CNC equipment and non-standard automated CNC equipment for drilling, tapping, and milling processes. It owns a series of subsidiaries, including Hongzhenkang Intelligent Technology Company Limited, specializing in metal plate customer production, Honghui Precision Company Limited, specializing in mold and machinery parts processing, and DUOMI Machinery Company Limited, specializing in drilling beads, milling cutters, and other processing accessories production and sales, to provide customers with one-stop service from customer purchase to production. DUOMI Machinery focuses on the market segment of small parts. For the special requirements of small hardware parts processing, the company has developed small precision CNC drilling machine, 1 to 10 meter large integrated drilling and tapping machine, hot melting drilling machine, profile CNC machining center, and 360-degree circular tube automatic drilling machines and other CNC machine tools. DUOMI Machinery strives to improve itself and gathers the cream of the crop in the industry. While maintaining its standard development, it can develop various non-standard CNC drilling machines that meet specific needs of customers, such as intelligent control multi-station integrated machine, 3-station drilling integrated machine, small intelligent multi-station integrated machine, multi-station integrated machine, multi-station and tool-change integrated machine. The products have obtained a number of domestic patent certificates. The company's products are sold well in various cities in China, Hong Kong, Macau, and Taiwan, and are also exported to Southeast Asia, Europe, and the United States. The company is committed to the vision of DUOMI customers today will be DUOMI promoters tomorrow, and strives to realize the customer's wish for less investment, more output. As China is experiencing economic takeoff in the new era, DUOMI Machinery strives to become a representative of China's CNC machine tool industry and build a world-renowned brand.